Hi, my name's Mel and I'm from the International Travel College of New Zealand, ITC. This is an online tutorial for Unit 18227, which is all about specific needs. All of the information prior to this assessment will help you answer these questions. There is a number of different specific needs that people may have. These needs require extra help and support from the person who is providing them customer service or service in general. Knowing how to help these people will actually ensure that you do this effectively in your job in future. So it's very, very valuable information. However, to be able to identify what a specific need is, you'll need to know the definition of each need. So in the pages previous, there's a number of different specific needs with definitions next to them. The first task in your assessment is simply asking you to define each of those specific needs. So you just take that definition from the workbook and place it next to each one. In the second task, it's giving you an idea of a type of specific need that you need to identify or label. So it's giving you a scenario. The first scenario describes someone who is young as an unaccompanied minor. You'll need to write the name of that specific need and write two things of how you are going to help that person. So if you just think about what you would need to do to support that specific need to get to where they need to go. Of course, you can use your workbook and the previous information in the pages prior to this assessment to help you answer this next task. You will also have two other types of specific needs that you need to identify. Simply put the name of that specific need, where you're identifying it, and then two ways of how you can support them or help them. So it's a very small assessment and it's very straightforward. I hope this YouTube tutorial has helped you, but if you require further help or further explanation because you're not sure, then please reach out to our email with gateway@itc.co.nz or use the Facebook page group that we've put in there. Thank you, and I hope you go well with your assessment.